Here is something I would never do as an estate planner. And this is gonna sound crazy. I would never leave a penny to my kids. That's right. I would never leave a penny to my kids. Instead, I would leave money to trusts for their benefit. What am I talking about? For most kids, I would create a family protection trust. That's my firm's version of what's generically known as a dynasty trust. Now, why would I leave assets to a trust for my kids instead of to them directly? There's three big reasons. One, divorce. If you leave assets directly to your kids and they commingle the assets in a marriage, it could be lost in a divorce. If you leave it to one of these trusts, there's a high level of protection against divorces. If your kid is sued and they inherit money directly, that money is exposed. If it's in one of these trusts, there's a level of protection to protect it against litigants, and there are a lot of lawsuits flying these days. And three, the assets your kids inherit directly could be crushed by estate taxes when they pass away before they go to future grandkids or current or future grandkids. If it's in one of these trusts, most of the assets at least are not exposed to estate taxes in the future. That could save, even if you consider yourself middle class, that could save hundreds of thousands or even millions of dollars down the road. I wouldn't leave anything to a child. I would leave it to a family protection trust. Now, if you have a child with a disability, you should leave to a special needs trust. That's a different issue. How do you stay on top of all of this? Follow me.